Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Alloyman, 16-inch, 2-in-1 electric Dethatches and Scarifies. There are features include 2-in-1 quick switch. The Alloyman Dethatcher and Scarifier with both dethatching and scarifying blades. The dethatching blades remove dead grass to improve lawn health and density, while the scarifying blades aerate the soil to promote root growth. Easily switch between modes to keep your lawn healthy. 5-position depth and 3-position handle adjustment. 5 depth settings allow precise control for different lawn needs. Scarifying depth from -0.47 to 0.25 inch and dethatching depth from -0.36 to 0.36 inch. The 3-position adjustable handle fits users of various heights for comfortable operation. Powerful 15-amp motor. Tackle lawn maintenance quickly with a powerful 15-amp motor, up to 3,600 RPM, and a 16-inch working width, ideal for covering large areas faster and easier. Easy to use and store. Weighing only 30 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. Features a detachable handle for compact storage, a 14.5-gallon removable collection bag to reduce emptying trips, plus a waterproof plug, cord retainer, and durable wheels for safe and tidy operation. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.